Well, let's get started. So this is the base for where I put my drag makeup. What happens is, like, I took my boy face away, I put this new kind of face on it, and then I put the makeup on top of it. So the look we're going for today is a very kind of floral, spring has sprung based on these flowers. It's gonna match my flower dress that I have that I actually wore to DragCon, New York 2018. So we're going for very bold eyes, flower colors, and a bold lip. Let's get started. So what I'm trying to do with this look is to kind of do as if I had a flower on each eye. But let's start with the eyebrows, just because I know what those need to be. They're gonna be bright orange because my wig is bright orange as well. Since I have already the shape mapped out by the highlight, it's not so hard to follow it. A little bit of here, a little bit of here, that way they're like slowly growing and matching, and I don't have like one perfect eyebrow that I have to match on the other side, because that's hard. I like starting my eyebrow kind of low so that I don't lose the movement of them, because I'm a very expressive performer. Brows. Usually I'll sketch out my eye makeup before I try it on, but this time, let's just go. Let's just try it. Sure. Maybe I should have gone for a more subtle, pretty eye, but I'm trying to do something new. Let's see if it works out. I usually bring my eyelid down to here, but keep a space open there to put some very bright highlight to extend my eyeball. So that's what we're gonna do. Even if I'm doing this weird flower thing, I still want to respect the eye shape that I want to have. The yellows look very different, don't they? Okay, the flower shape is done. While it dries, I'm going to do my lips. Sometimes people save the lips for the very end, but I find that if I do that, I end up rushing them, and they're like the most important part of the face because you're lip syncing. So let's do lips. I'm gonna do them in a bright orange with some red undertones. I find that this body makeup ends up super matte and staying for a long time. Doesn't get sticky at all, so that's why I like it. I'm trying to match this kind of darker orange, so I'm gonna add some red. Okay, lips. All of the flowers that I'm wearing on my dress are hand painted with these like kind of splotches of color. So I'm going to do that to my eye. So, oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna do two different colors because I'm feeling very crazy. So let's start with blue. So usually I do my liner with black, but I'm gonna do it with this blue, see if it works out. Okay, on to the other side. Okay, I'm not mad at this. Flowers. I'm gonna let this dry before I continue with it. I'm gonna put some blush on, and that's gonna be orange from this L'Oreal palette. I don't really put blush on my here because I want to keep this whole area open. But I do extend the blush a lot of places. Oof, I hate this brush. Pink blush to the tip of my nose. So cute. Okay. I'm gonna warm up the rest of the contour with some of the orange. getting messy up in here, but it looks like the paint on the flowers, so I'm not mad at it. In the meantime, let's curl those lashes so that I can add my false ones. Mascara, sobre mascara. Oh, and oh. All right, we're gonna do some finishing touches, and then I'm gonna reveal the final look. Okay, I've added my lashes, I've added some sparkle to my ears, my contour to my clavicle, and I'm ready for the wig. But before that, I can't think of a better time than now to pull out my brand new Dior colored mascaras. I'm excited, I haven't used these before, and they look, oh, incredible. It's such a condensed paint that it adds that painterly flair. We're gonna set it. But I also, because I have all these other things on my face that aren't makeup, I do like to spray myself with hairspray. Ugh. Is that wrong? I'm not a scientist. All right. Spring has sprung. All right, this is the completed flower power look. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like it. And subscribe. And if you want to see the full look, go to my Instagram page at Fuego, where you'll find head to toe and some performance highlights. All right, thanks for joining me. Adios.